Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites 29 Palms, an IHG hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel features non-smoking rooms with a 32 inches TV, a fitness center and an outdoor heated pool. It provides guest laundry facilities. Joshua Tree National Park is 6.5 miles away. All rooms at Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites have air conditioning, ironing facilities and a tea, coffee maker. A microwave and small fridge are also included. Guests can relax in the spa at Holiday Inn 29 Palms or enjoy a hearty grilled meals using the barbecue facilities. Yucca Valley is a 30-minute drive from Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites 29 Palms. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.